Oh my god, Destroyer. Today, I'll take you on some exciting woodworking adventures where every saw stroke is an unpredictable challenge. Fast as a steel tornado, the Dipper Fox stump grinder with 210 horsepower engine can remove 2 to 3 stumps per minute. Smart design helps grind stumps on the spot, saving time, fuel, and minimizing impact on the surrounding environment. Have you ever imagined a 200-foot tall pine tree being conquered in the wild? At an altitude of 7,000 feet in the Sierra National Forest, a team of skilled workers operate high-powered chainsaws, using powerful engines to tackle the giant tree in seconds. Specialized machinery helps them overcome steep hills, granite, and harsh weather, optimizing the efficiency of felling the tree. The sight of the Ecolog 590D in the final stages of felling is impressive. With its superior power, the machine uses the Tesla 28RH to handle each large log accurately and quickly. Powerful engine and meticulous cutting technique. Every job takes place like a perfect performance. With its superior power and efficiency, the Cabelco tree stump excavator is equipped with a 500 horsepower engine that easily digs up tree stumps with ease. The optimized design helps the machine operate smoothly, providing flexibility and excellent working ability in all conditions. Wow! Witness the spectacular SG-75 4-feet tree stump grinder. With its 75 horsepower motor, it swallows large tree stumps in a flash. Sharp grinding discs rotate at high speed. Fast processing, ideal for post-logging cleanup work. Are you looking for an efficient crusher? The Terex Ecotec TBG5 30 Rapid Crusher with powerful motor works efficiently, crushing materials quickly and evenly. The optimal design helps the machine handle large volumes, saving time and energy, bringing high efficiency. Caterpillar 552 feller buncher with powerful engine, specialized for logging. The ability to cut and gather wood quickly increases productivity while minimizing effort. Sturdy design, flexible in all working conditions. The TigerCat 635 wheel loader, with its powerful engine, easily transports timber in difficult terrain conditions. Its sturdy design and flexible mobility help the machine overcome rough terrain, bringing high work efficiency and minimizing processing time. Next up is the Brute Force 20-30 CS woodworking machine. With its powerful horsepower motor and circular saw, delivering impressive woodcutting performance. Durable design, the machine easily handles large logs, saving time and effort, making it the perfect choice for logging wood. In the wood processing industry, the PTH 1400/1000M Petzolato drum wood chipper, powered by a 1150 HP Caterpillar C27 engine, delivers outstanding chipping performance. With its powerful performance, the machine can easily handle large wood blocks, operate stably, increase productivity, and shorten processing time. Primitive Panther T16 crawler dumper with powerful engine, combined with Willow harvester, harvest willow quickly and efficiently. Flexible mobility on difficult terrain helps optimize work, bringing outstanding performance during harvesting. Oh my goodness, I never thought the TMK 300 tree shear on a Swift Fox Industries wool loader could cut trees so efficiently. With its powerful horsepower engine, it easily cuts through large tree trunks, delivering high performance and excellent accuracy, even in harsh conditions. If you enjoy these adventures, please leave a comment so I can continue to bring you more exciting adventures. Follow me. I promise you will not be disappointed. Don't be fooled by its simple appearance. The chainsaw uses a powerful whip motor that works tirelessly to cut through wood. With its superior power, it easily handles large blocks of wood, delivering high performance and absolute precision in all conditions. With advanced technology and optimized design, the powerful Moorbark 640 debark peels dry branches quickly and efficiently. The machine works decisively, peeling off bark in just a few seconds, helping to speed up the wood processing process, saving time and effort. Can you imagine this power? The Bandit 21 XP chipper is crushing trees with its powerful motor and sharp chipping blades. It easily handles large logs, turning them into sawdust in a snap, providing superior performance in every job. Wow, I'm speechless. The powerful Ural off-road vehicle, swamp vehicle, timber truck. Can it overcome this challenge? Leave a comment and share your thoughts. Let's see if the power of Ural is enough to win. Wow. Witness the old EMD GP38 working extremely hard, pulling the long wooden train. Although old, but with amazing power, it still runs steadily, creating a rumbling sound, proving its durability and efficiency over time. Oh, here raw power and delicate balance come together. The rootstock remover and chopper is equipped with a powerful 40 horsepower motor, combined with a sharp cylindrical auger. Thanks to its superior design, the machine easily handles tough rootstocks, bringing high efficiency and saving time in forestry work. Witness each powerful cut. The Cat excavator with a specialized cutting head and a 100 horsepower engine easily fells a large pine tree in just a few seconds. The flexible hydraulic arm combined with the sharp cutting blade creates a powerful and precise performance. Like a monster machine on the construction site, the Moorbark 1100 drum crusher is equipped with a 24 hammer rotor, a 600 horsepower Cat engine, and a 318 clutch. This power helps the machine crush large wood and green waste quickly and effectively in all harsh conditions. Oh, this powerful machine is not to be missed. With a powerful horsepower engine, the machine harvests the entire tree quickly and efficiently. The superior design helps harvest the tree from root to tip, saving time and effort for all mining projects. Nothing can stop the power of the extreme 80T pressure wood splitter. With a powerful horsepower engine, the machine can easily handle giant tree stumps. The special design and superior pressure help the machine quickly split wood into small pieces, saving time and effort.